In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the page size in Microsoft Power BI Desktop. This is a simple but important way to make your reports look polished, whether you're presenting on a widescreen monitor, printing to a standard page size, or building a custom dashboard layout. Start by opening your Microsoft Power BI app on your desktop. Once it's up, open one of your existing files so you can work with a report you already have. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're looking at the report canvas. If your file has multiple pages, confirm that you've selected the specific page you want to adjust. Page size changes apply to the current page, so it's worth double checking you're on the right one. With the page selected, look over to the right panel. You'll see the formatting controls there. Click on Format Page. This is where all the page level appearance settings live, separate from any visual level formatting. Inside Format Page, find and click Canvas Settings. Canvas Settings control the overall dimensions and background of the page you're designing on. Under Canvas Settings, click the drop-down labeled Type. This menu contains preset page sizes designed for common scenarios. For example, you might see widescreen options for modern displays or traditional page sizes suitable for printing and PDFs. Choosing a preset is the quickest way to make your layout fit a known format, and it helps ensure your visuals align well when shared or presented. If none of the presets fit your use case, you can set the page to Custom. Custom gives you full control over the exact dimensions. After selecting Custom, adjust the width and height fields to match the specific size you need. This is useful when you're building a dashboard for a unique display area, embedding a report in a portal with defined dimensions, or matching a specific brand guideline. As you change width and height, keep an eye on how your visuals fit the canvas. You may need to rearrange or resize them slightly so everything remains readable and aligned. A quick tip as you work, consider where your report will be viewed most often. If it's mainly on laptops and projectors, a widescreen type usually works best. If it's going to be printed, pick a page type that aligns with your paper size for cleaner results. And that's it. You've opened your file, selected the page, navigated to Format Page, gone into Canvas Settings, chosen a type, and if needed, set a custom width and height. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how your report is received.